Hey everyone, it's Eric, Ground Pounder Off-Road. We've been having a lot of fun with Rocco. He's our 2016 Turbo RZR that we've been using as a test bed. Unfortunately, Bounty Racing and SRRS Racing has just been too much for the stock front end. The hot tune in it also didn't help, I'm sure, along with the 32s aired down. We had one last kind of hurrah with him down at the Gulches Off-Road Park and did all the crazy stuff down there. Walked the dog on all of it. It's ridiculous how capable these machines really are. But unfortunately, the front end decided that that was all the fun we were going to have. It was already popping and clicking like they'll do when they get busted. But I just wanted to pop a quick video here. This is sort of a precursor to showing you the new spool we have coming out. And about 30 minutes worth of work. I got the front end out. And I'm going to zip the bolts off and pull the cover real quick and let you see what's left on the inside, because it's stuck in four-wheel drive now from all the stuff kind of falling apart, I guess. It's the way to word it anyway. So we got a 10 millimeter. Used to be the old Torx they used to use. Take a pry bar, there's a tab towards the front of the differential. Just pop it, give it a twist, and it should pull right off. I don't know if you can see in the video, but our seals are trashed. Or most of that's probably just from the everything being broken. We've been running the Rhino 2.0 axles. Part of that's to see, there we go, to see how well they'll hold up to a hot tune and a heavy foot and just the abuse of racing. Some of we can kind of give you some feedback on in the long term. So far they've worked out well. We'll see how they do once we put our spool in the front and the upgraded steering. So anyway, here's the cover off. What's left of the internals, we've got the factory plate. It's got some warpage. There's some metal floating around on top of it there from the cage. I'm going to go ahead and just pull this ring. I'm not sure if that's failed. No, it looks like it's still intact. You can see on the edges of the teeth it's actually just ripped itself loose, and that's probably where a lot of the debris is coming from when it was stuck in four-wheel drive. Oh yeah, it's cracked. Yeah, nicely cracked. So anyway, so you see the extent of it. We've broke our ring gear pin. It's floating around in here. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of share with you guys the process of pulling that apart and let you know it's about 30 minutes work to get the whole front end out of this thing. It's like another couple minutes to tear this down. We'll do a video here shortly once we get our spools in, reassembling this, and you'll get to see the spool sections go back together. I'll probably do a video real quick welding these two units together. That is an option. That's something we can do for you. You can send us your assembly and we can TIG this up for you, and you can get a spool essentially that way. It's a low-tech way to do it. It will work for most applications. The best way is a single one-piece spool. If you're interested in having us do that, just shoot us an email. It's eric@groundpounderoffroad.com, and I'll get you the shipping instructions to send us that piece, or you can send us the whole diff and I'll put it back together for you. We bench test everything before we send it also, just so you know. We have a heavy duty cage coming out that's going to put everything else on the market to shame. And it's going to be just super nice. I think everybody's going to dig it, and it'll be the new benchmark for these. Anyway, we'll be back in a little while with the second part of this video where we reassemble this with a welded diff, and then a third part with our spool. Okay? Thanks. Have a great day.